How to turn off flash notification on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Scroll down to the Hearing section and tap on Audio and Visual. Here, scroll down to the end and go to the Visual section. Tap on LED Flash for alerts. Here, turn off the LED Flash for alerts feature. You can also control LED flash for alerts when the ring switch is set to silent or the device is unlocked from the options below. Following these steps, you can easily turn off flash notification on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.